Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today we're going to be continuing with the Sunflower Challenge 2019, as our previous sunflowers didn't get put in the ground early enough and they've gone, not done much, but we're still going to plant them at home and see what they do. But we're also going to be potting up some more little sunflower plants into some cardboard rolls, into some old toilet tubes, so then when we've got the ground fully prepared here on the allotment, we can have some sunflowers to help with pollination. Right then, let's get planting some more of these sunflowers. So as you can see, these are ones off last year's 14-foot tall sunflower. They're not the best, but we'll get them planted and see what they do. They're the Mongolian giant ones. Same with them. I think that's just because they was on the bottom shelf there and didn't get much light. But yeah, they should do something. They should pick up. So hopefully we'll still have a chance at winning the local competition as well as next allotment diaries. So I'm just going to use some multi-purpose compost as always to fill these tubes up, and then we'll compact them in. So if we have any seeds left, that is, I'll put 2 in each, so there's a chance that they'll do something. Some mice have come in and ate some of the seeds that I put in the polytunnel last night. They've ate some, but not all of them, so we still have a few. Go to compact those in well and put them in a tray. So put that in there like that, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 to do. So, well, 12 now, but yeah, we should have some more sunflowers on the go. So yeah, there we have it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 13 there. When I get some more tubes, I'll plant some more. Hopefully they'll look nice on the allotment. We'll get those watered in. But now I've got to carefully take these home in my bag, and we'll plant them in the dahlia border. So as you can see, this is the dahlia border. We already have one little Mongolian giant seedling here, but we'll try and get some of these plants here in. When they start to get a bit bigger, they'll probably be thinned out to 3 or 4. We're just going to see which ones do best first. So these are Mongolian giant, and then the one in the card rolls are from last year's 14-foot tall one. As you can see, we have the bracket there. I'll try and put a picture up on screen of the one that we grew last year, but hopefully we'll be able to grow another one just as well. So here we have one of last year's 14-foot tall seedlings. It's not the best, but we'll see what it does. This soil here is quite good. As you can see, we've put eggshells and everything in it. We'll probably put some manure, chicken pellets or something like that around them once they get grown a bit more, for a bit of extra fertilizer. So when you're planting a plant in one of these cardboard rolls into the ground, make sure the top of the cardboard roll will be under the soil, because if it sticks up, it will get dried out and it will dry the entire roll down, and the seedlings then won't get that best of a start. So it's it's best to bury the top of the roll as well. So there's one, there's another, so we have 4 in so far. We have a little one there that's self-set. I think that's off a red one last year. I'll just put another one here, and yeah, we'll see what happens, but they will get thinned out as they grow. We've just got to see how they progress. So I'm going to give them a good soak with some pond water, as that will have lots of nutrients in it as well. Put some little sticks in, as you can see, loosely tied them up. This is just to support them for now, as they have gone a bit leggy in the polytunnel, but hopefully they'll straighten up well, and we'll put some proper posts in for them. I've got one little one back here as well. I've got 3 more Mongolian giants left. I think I'll take them back to plant on the allotment. So I hope you enjoyed this video or found it useful, and if so, remember to click that like button and press subscribe with notifications on, so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So hopefully we haven't got too far behind with the sunflowers, but hopefully with this good ground here that is fully enriched with ash and, you know, eggshells, tea bags, compost and all that good stuff, these will take off, and we'll also keep feeding them with pond water and some chicken manure pellets, hopefully just sprinkle them around the surface. Hopefully they'll look nice even with the dahlias in front of them when they start growing up behind the dahlias. And yeah, I think that's about it for this video. So please tell me down below in the comments if you're growing any sunflowers this year. So yeah, I hope to see you all in the next one. So bye bye everybody.